guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you may know, I've done a couple of technology internships, and during those internships we use something called a Jira board to keep track of our tasks, and it's a great way to be able to know what needs to be done and what is already done during the week or bi-weekly, and I liked it so much that I decided to use it in my personal life. So today I am going to show you how to make your own DIY progress board that you can hang in your room or your dorm, and I found that it works really great for college and other tasks besides just software engineering. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So the first thing they need is to grab a cork board. Something like this should work, and it could be any type of cork board, and I want you to divide it up by 5 chunks. So just measure it and then divide it into 5 chunks. It doesn't really matter how neat it is because we're going to cover it up later, so you could just do it in pencil. So now that we have a cork board, we need some other things. So I would recommend getting a stack of magazines or something, or even a used planner that you don't want anymore. So kind of like this one we have right here, and then some glue and a pair of scissors. So what we are going to do now is cut out pieces of thin strips so that we can stick on the dotted lines that we just drew, and we're going to do these for all 5 of the sections so that we can clearly see the 5 sections divided up. So once we have cut out our strips, we are going to trim them and then glue them down onto the board. So now that we glued down the strips onto the board, we can now start cutting out the letters for each of the spaces so that we know what each column is for. So for example, this column would be the backlog, which is all the stuff that we have to do for that week would be on this side. This is to do, so once we know that we have to do this first, we'll put them to this column. Once it is in progress, we'll put them here, and if there's something we need to wait on or something that we will push off to a little later day in the week to do, then we put it in the waiting column, and once it is done, it is in the done column. So we will start cutting out letters from our magazines and things that we have. So anything like this we can cut out the letters, and then we can paste it onto the board at the very top. Finished gluing the letters onto the progress board, and look you guys, this looks so cute right now. I am so impressed. This is so cute. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to put some stickers to decorate it. This is an old board that I have, so some of these drawings I want to cover up, so I'm just gonna put some stickers on it. You guys can decorate it however you want, but yeah. It is done. Isn't it cute? Now you can stick sticky notes onto this board, and hopefully it will help you guys stay productive, and it will keep your room looking cute. So it's a win-win. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!